Hello students, welcome back to our learning channel. Today we will learn here 40 synonym words. Synonym words are the words that have the same or nearly the same meaning. Here first is happy. So happy, its synonym word is joyful. Now sad, its synonym is unhappy. Now big, its synonym is large. Small, its synonym is tiny, Tiny. First, its synonym is quick, Quick. Now slow, its synonym is lazy, Lazy. Lazy. Hot, its synonym is warm, Warm. Good, its synonym is nice. Bad, its synonym is naughty, Naughty. Naughty. Easy, its synonym is simple. Hard, its synonym is difficult. Its synonym is neat. Now next is begin, its synonym is start, Start. End means finish, its synonym is finish. Buy, its synonym is purchase. Assist, assist. Now ask, its synonym is question. Tell, its synonym is say, Say. Look, its synonym is see, Swe. Now angry, its synonym is sad. Now brave, its synonym is bold, Bold. Quiet, its synonym is silent, Silent. Silent. Loud, its synonym is noisy, Noisy. Near, its synonym is close. Far, its synonym is distant. Far, its synonym is distant, Distant. Rich, its synonym is wealthy. Poor, needy. Strong, its synonym is powerful. Smart, clever. Beautiful, we can write pretty, Pretty. Pretty. Sleep, rest. Now eating, it means chew, and drink means sip, we can write sip, Sip. Fear, scare. Safe, secure. Right, correct. Right, correct. then wrong, incorrect, bright, shiny, 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 tired, sleepy, old, aged. So these are the 40 synonym words. Students, please practice it again and again. Students, I hope you have enjoyed this video. In case you find it useful, please like it, share it, and also subscribe the channel. Thank you, everybody.